So Pearson Island, is a very special place. This is the first Marine Parks expedition, Pearson Island. So I'm really excited and privileged to be part of the first official assessment of biodiversity here. So we've assembled a team of marine scientists, both terrestrial and underwater, to assess the biodiversity of the Pearson Island Sanctuary Zone.
So once we were at Pearson, we were doing 3 dives a day with our scientists. We had one of the team taking algal samples to study different species of seagrass and algae that are present inside the sanctuary zone. They're also doing fish counts all day, and then also cryptic searches where they're looking in the crevices and tiny little caves and everything for fish 5 centimetres long and other small organisms that are found in amongst the reef.
As soon as the divers hit the water, the smiles on our faces straight away. Firstly because of the visibility, and straight away 25 metres of really clear water. And then it was the fish. Huge groper, massive rays, schooling fish like barber perch, swallowtails everywhere, so clouds of fish. So basically we're getting a picture of an ecosystem as pristine as we're going to see it. So for us, that's gold. We don't get to see that very much, so it's great.
Yeah, visibility amazing, fish everywhere.
So we can go back and look at our other sites and go, okay, it's what we're aiming for. If we get good protection and good management, and yeah, that's why we have these reference sites.
We also had a team staying overnight on Pearson Island studying the numbers and condition of the endangered Australian sea lion.
We're just setting up a drone. We found a spot that we can set up and launch from that there's no animals around, so we're not going to disturb them. What we're going to do is, at this area, we'll fly grids at about 40 or 50 metres height. Once we get back to the office or to the ship, what we'll do is we'll be able to stitch all the images together and develop like a model, and then we can zoom right in and look at the animals. We can count and classify the animals. So then it's a good way of measuring population health.
We came here to assess the biodiversity, and we've achieved those aims, but it's just demonstrated to us how special this place is.
So working with scientists, we're enabling them to monitor and assess the performance of these sanctuary zones in the Great Australian Bight and provide solid evidence as to why we need to maintain sanctuary zones.
There are many fishermen and other people that are against sanctuaries initially. When they see the results, not only from a point of view of keeping our oceans healthy, but also in terms of ecotourism, sustainable tourism that we could have here in places like that. There's so many benefits to looking after the Great Australian Bight.